Right now, we're seeing a notable dip in human rights sentiment at -0.80, with a negative momentum of -0.31. This is a significant deviation from our historical baseline. Such a sharp decline indicates a growing concern and urgency around human rights issues that you might want to monitor closely. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including 10 semantic clusters that help you understand the conversation landscape. For instance, if you're developing an application to track human rights activism, this data can guide you in identifying key topics and shifts in public sentiment, enabling you to respond proactively. If you want to dive deeper into the implications of this data, or integrate it into your application, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.